In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate the Inscriber in Applied Energistics 2. Now, it's actually very simple to do, and I'm going to teach you how to go ahead and make the whole sort of unit for this. So, first of all, you're going to need to go ahead and grab yourself a energy cell here, and on top of that, you're going to have to go ahead and put your ME controller. So this is going to control the whole sort of thing here. You're also going to need some Fluix cables here, which is going to connect up the whole system. And then down here you want to get yourself an ME drive, and this is going to be putting your patterns in and also for putting your items in. Now above that you want to go ahead, or anywhere on the system you need to put a ME crafting terminal. And then next to that, or anywhere on the system again, you want to put yourself a ME pattern encoding terminal. So this is going to be very important. Now what you need to do next is get yourself a processing unit. You need to get the crafting co-processing unit. And above that, you need the 4K crafting storage, just like that. You can get any size one. I was using 4K for this one. You also need then another cable. And at this point, I have a pattern provider and a molecular assembler. This is for auto crafting, but you can skip this and you can go straight with the Inscriber. Now, you can also just go ahead, if you've already got this sort of crafting unit set up, you can go ahead and just add the inscribing bit to the end of it. So what we're going to do here is below we're going to put an ME pattern provider, and above we're going to go ahead and put the Inscriber. So first of all, what we need to do is grab the press that we want to automate. So let's say the Inscriber silicon press. We need to go ahead and place it into the top slot here. And then over here we've got the auto export section. We need to go ahead and put this onto the tick just like this. Now once we've done that, we need to go over here. And we need to go to the pattern provider here. So we're going to go ahead and encode the pattern. Sorry, this is the pattern encoder. We're going to go ahead and encode it. So first of all, we need to grab ourselves silicon or whatever item we need to make the chip. So we're going to have the item here and the output. And you don't need to have the press here. So make sure you remove the press. You can go ahead and put a blank pattern in there. So we've got what we have to add with the press. We've got the output, and we need to make sure it's on the processing patterns section here. And then we can go ahead and press the down arrow here, and we're going to get this, which is going to be the processing pattern for the printed silicon, for example. You can do this with any of them. Just make sure you've got the recipe right and you've got the item ready to go. So now you can go over here, and below this we can put the pattern in that we've just made. And you can see here, now we have the, I have it ready to go. So inside this one, this is going to be for the Inscriber silicon press. And we can now go over here and make sure we have silicon in here. And if we want to go ahead and craft it, we can do that. So we can simply go up to here. We've got the printed silicon. This is the one we just made. And we can go ahead, select one we want. Let's say we want 10. Press next. It's going to show us the amounts here. Press start. It's going to start crafting. Go over here and you should see it's now just put the 10 into here. It's going to make them. It's going to automatically export them through the system as well, which is nice. And you can also go ahead and just check on the process over here. So we've got 8 left. You can tell you the time and all that kind of stuff. So automating this is very simple. And that's basically how you do it. You can also go ahead and do this for the other presses as well. But if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe, comment down below that it helped, and let me know if there's any other videos you'd like me to make about this game or anything else in particular. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.